This is interesting. It is raining, and the silverback gorillas are seeking for shelter like humans. These gorillas are native to the tropical rainforests of Central Africa, where it rains frequently. While they are adapted to living in a wet environment, they do not necessarily enjoy being out in the rain. In fact, gorillas tend to behave differently when it rains. They may seek shelter in dense vegetation or under a tree, and some have even been observed using leaves as makeshift umbrellas. Please subscribe to this channel.